In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create leads in Zoho CRM. When you're building a healthy pipeline, every accurate lead you add matters. We'll go from the main CRM page to a saved lead record, and along the way, I'll point out what to enter and why it helps your team later. First, open Zoho CRM and head to the Leads module. You'll find it in the main navigation. Clicking Leads takes you to a list of existing leads and the place where you can add new ones. Next, choose Create Lead. This opens your lead creation form, which may look slightly different depending on your organization's layout, but the core fields are the same. Start by entering the person's first name and last name. Keep capitalization consistent and avoid nicknames unless that's how they prefer to be addressed. In many setups, last name is a required field, so make sure it's filled in before you continue. Add the company. Use the official company name so it matches other records and reporting. If you're capturing an individual consumer rather than a business, follow your team's convention, such as marking the company as individual if that's how your layout is designed. Enter the email, double check spelling and the domain, since a single typo can break follow-ups and automations. If you're unsure, leave a quick note so someone can verify it later. Add a phone number. Include the country code when relevant and keep formatting consistent with your team standard. Use the mobile field for the contact's cell number. Separating phone and mobile makes it easier to decide how to reach out and whether SMS is appropriate under your policies. Now complete the remaining fields on the form. Commonly used ones include lead source to track where the lead came from, lead status to reflect where they are in your process, title and industry for context, website and address details for enrichment, and owner to assign responsibility. If your form includes tags or a description area, add keywords and a concise summary of the inquiry or next steps. The more structured your data, the better your segmentation and reporting. When everything looks good, click Save. If the system flags a missing required field, scroll back, fill it in, and try again. If a potential duplicate is detected, review the details so you don't accidentally create a second record. That's it. You've created a lead in Zoho CRM ready for nurturing and follow-up. Keep your entries consistent and your future self and your sales reports will thank you.